There is a psychological trigger deeply wired into the human brain that legacy automakers have been exploiting for decades. When you see a vehicle sculpted like a block of concrete, defined by rigid 90-degree angles, flared wheel arches, and a completely vertical windscreen, your primitive instinct immediately registers one word: invincibility. It is the exact same psychological hijack that allows a Mercedes G-Wagon or a Land Rover Defender to command astronomical price tags. They do not just sell you a mode of transport, they sell you the illusion that you can survive the apocalypse, even if the most treacherous off-road obstacle you ever face is a curb at the local supermarket. Humans are drawn to right angles because, subconsciously, they represent structural integrity and defense against a chaotic outside world. But what happens when an automaker decides to democratize this feeling of absolute power? Enter the anomaly. Depending on where you live, it is known as the Chery iCar 03. But the global market will soon fear it as the Jaecoo 6. Today, we are going to use forensic engineering to tear apart this boxy silhouette and expose the absolute nightmare it represents for traditional European and Japanese manufacturers. First, we must address the sheer scale of the deception. The name iCar is a masterclass in misdirection. It makes you think of a tiny, fragile city car, a gadget on wheels. The reality is violently different. This is a formidable compact SUV, measuring 4.40 meters in length and a staggering 1.91 meters in width. It sits on the tarmac with the menacing footprint of a much larger vehicle. When you walk up to it, the flat, imposing bonnet and the monolithic grille trigger that exact G-Wagon receptor in your brain. Yet, beneath this rugged, brutalist exterior lies a completely silent, high-voltage electric architecture that completely rips up the 130-year-old rulebook of the internal combustion engine. We are going to look at how Chinese engineering has hacked the psychological desire for a rugged off-roader, removed the heavy, thirsty, and vibrating diesel engine, and replaced it with a technological arsenal that outsmarts physics itself. This is not just a car, it is a calculated attack on automotive tradition. To truly understand the disruption of the Jaecoo 6, we have to throw the traditional automotive manufacturing cost sheet straight into the bin. If you are an engineer at Volkswagen or Toyota, tasked with building a compact SUV, your golden rule is simple. You must save money. You stamp the body out of high-strength steel, you use cheaper mild steel for the doors, and you cover the rest in plastic. Steel is cheap, reliable, and heavy. Chery did not read that manual. When they decided to make the Jaecoo 6 an electric off-roader capable of a 300-mile range, they immediately ran into a brutal physical limitation. The vehicle is shaped like a brick. Pushing a flat, vertical surface through the air requires an immense amount of energy because of aerodynamic drag. To combat this wind resistance and still house a massive, heavy 69.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack, they had to shed weight somewhere else. Their solution was a brutal flex of manufacturing superiority. They built a multi-cavity all-aluminum body structure. This is not the engineering of a standard family SUV. This is the material science reserved for supercars and the half-a-million-pound Range Rover. By utilizing advanced gigacasting technologies, which means injecting molten aluminium under thousands of tons of pressure to form massive single-piece subframes, they eliminated hundreds of weak welding points. This radical diet offsets the immense weight of the battery pack, keeping the curb weight hovering around a highly competitive 1,800 kilograms. But let us bring this back to the human element. What does an aluminum cage mean for the driver? It means absolute peace of mind. Steel rusts when exposed to mud, water, and road salt. Aluminium does not. Furthermore, the torsional rigidity achieved by this extruded aluminium frame means that when you articulate the vehicle over a massive boulder, the chassis does not flex, creak, or groan. The doors will still open and close perfectly, even when the car is parked on an extreme incline. It is an architecture designed with a 30-year lifespan in mind, built to absorb absolute punishment without structural degradation. Understand this. The Jaecoo 6 is built like a vault. For the off-road purist, the driver who swears by mechanical locking differentials, diesel torque, and manual gearboxes, the very concept of an electric off-roader is terrifying. The human brain instinctively knows that electricity and water are a lethal combination. The thought of plunging a high-voltage battery pack and delicate computer processors into a river of mud induces a visceral kind of anxiety. It feels fundamentally wrong. The Jaecoo 6 confronts this psychological fear head-on with forensic-level sealing and redundant engineering. The vehicle's entire high-voltage system, including the motors and the battery pack, boasts an IP68 rating. It is hermetically sealed against dust and capable of sustained submersion in water without catastrophic failure. In the dual-motor, all-wheel drive configuration, you have one electric motor on the front axle and another on the rear, generating a combined output of nearly 280 brake horsepower and 385 Newton-meters of instantaneous torque. Unlike a diesel engine that needs to spool a turbocharger to find its power, the Jaecoo 6 delivers maximum rotational force to the tires the very millisecond you brush the throttle pedal. But the true psychological weapon of the Jaecoo 6 is found inside the cabin, completely redefining how the driver interacts with the terrain. When you approach a blind crest or a deep, muddy rut with 200 millimeters of ground clearance, you do not need to lean out of the window or rely on a spotter outside the car. You simply look at the massive 15.6-inch central touchscreen and engage the 540-degree transparent chassis mode. This is not a visual gimmick. It is a computational marvel. The vehicle's software aggregates real-time video feeds from high-definition cameras mounted under the wing mirrors, the front grille, and the tailgate. The onboard processor calculates the vehicle's speed, steering angle, and suspension travel to interpolate the imagery. It literally stitches together a live three-dimensional mesh of the ground beneath you, rendering the aluminum body of the car completely invisible on the screen. You can see the sharp rocks, the deep water, and the exact placement of your front tires, as if you were floating above the chassis. Armed with a 26-degree approach angle and a 29-degree departure angle, the driver's anxiety is entirely eradicated by pure processing power. Visually, the Jaecoo 6 presents a massive contradiction. It is tall, boxy, tapaut, and incredibly aggressive. Historically, driving a vehicle with this specific geometry on a winding tarmac road is a miserable and terrifying experience. High-riding off-roaders usually suffer from a high center of gravity, leading to dangerous body roll and a constant feeling that the vehicle is entirely disconnected from the road surface. You feel like you are driving a boat in a storm. The Jaecoo 6 rewrites this dynamic behavior using the inherent advantages of its electric architecture. The amount a vehicle leans in a corner is dictated by how high its heavy components are mounted. Because the absolute heaviest component of the Jaecoo 6, the massive battery pack, is bolted directly onto the floor pan, the center of mass is drastically lowered to the ground. To your eyes, the vehicle is a tall, imposing SUV. But to the unforgiving laws of physics, the mass is distributed like a low-slung sports saloon. To capitalize on this heavy anchor, the engineering team deployed a McPherson strut-independent suspension at the front and a highly sophisticated multi-link setup at the rear. When you throw this 1,800-kilogram box into a sharp corner at 60 miles per hour, it simply does not behave the way your brain expects it to. The body remains eerily flat and composed. Furthermore, the dual-motor setup introduces the absolute magic of electronic torque vectoring. Mechanical four-wheel drive systems rely on heavy transfer cases and reactive differentials that take crucial fractions of a second to lock. The Jaecoo 6 uses computers to monitor wheel slip at a microsecond level if the inside rear wheel begins to lose traction on wet tarmac. The system instantly cuts power to that specific wheel and routes it to the outside wheel smeek, physically pushing the nose of the car back into the apex of the corner. It provides an artificial tantash, mathematically perfect sense of grip. The driver feels like an absolute professional racing driver. completely unaware that a network of sensors and algorithms is actively preventing them from crashing into a tree. As we analyze the rear of the Jaecoo 6, we find perhaps the most brilliant, cheeky piece of design on the entire vehicle: the square box mounted to the side hinge tailgate. Every automotive instinct you have tells you that this is a spare tire cover, an absolute staple of the rugged off-roader aesthetic. But when you open it, there is no tire inside. It is an external storage compartment. It is a literal backpack for the car, perfectly designed for storing muddy charging cables or wet outdoor gear without ruining the pristine interior of the cabin. This design choice is the ultimate summary of what the Jaecoo 6 represents. It mimics the traditional form of the legacy off-roader, but completely subverts its function. It takes the nostalgia and the emotional appeal of the past and injects it with a violently futuristic ethos. Inside the cabin, this disruption continues to escalate. Legacy automakers are still obsessed with cluttering the dashboard with dozens of physical buttons, complex dials, and separate instrument binnacles, trying to make the driver feel like a commercial airline pilot. The Jaecoo 6 strips absolutely all of that away. The interior is devastatingly minimalist. There are almost no physical buttons to be found. Everything is controlled by a lightning-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 processor, turning the cabin into a serene, digital lounge. The materials are premium, the lines are horizontal and calming, and the noise, vibration, and harshness levels are practically non-existent due to the silent powertrain and thick acoustic glass. This vehicle is the physical manifestation of the nightmare that European and Japanese automotive executives have been losing sleep over. The Chinese automotive industry is no longer simply copying Western designs or trying to build cheaper versions of existing cars. They are identifying the deepest emotional desires of the consumer, the craving for safety, physical presence, and ultimate capability, and fulfilling them with cutting-edge technologies that the legacy brands simply cannot offer at this price point. The all-aluminum construction, the invisible chassis software, and the brutal torque of the dual electric motors make the Jaecoo 6 a true apex predator in the market. It is a vehicle that proves that the future of off-roading does not rely on toxic diesel fumes and heavy steel, but on silicon chips, gigacasting, and the sheer audacity to rethink what an SUV can truly be.